Welcome back to the channel. These are door sill protectors from Lasfit. You can get them straight from their website. I'll put the link below. I really like these. They protect the area and they just make things look better. They're super easy to install. This is the back side of them. All you have to do is take that sticker part off and then press and it will seal. There's some Velcro involved and there's a little bit of a lifting of the door sill needed to install, but it's really quite easy. So this is the before. As you can see, I don't have them on there. And this is the other side. So that rubber part there, I'm going to have to pull up a little bit to install. And there they are installed. As you can see, there's a little cup area there, so if you drop some french fries or whatever, keys, they'll drop in there instead of going underneath. So as you can see, I need to now pull the rubber part up to make it look, nice and neat, as it's just kind of like hanging over at this point. But that's what they look like if you just set them right down there. So there's the rubber that you need to pull up and just peel it over. It's pretty simple to do. As you can see, I did it one-handed as I'm filming this video. So you just kind of run your fingers down all the way to each side until you get it in there nice and snug. It almost looks like it's harder than it is, but it was actually pretty simple and took me just a couple of minutes. So there's the final product. That's what it looks like. Nice and flush, looks like it belongs, looks like it came that way, and there's no issues there. It's not going to move out of place or anything like that. This is the back one, same deal. You put it on, then see the rubber gasket kind of there. Now I installed it, and that's the after. I just did the same thing on the back, just lifted and put it in. So here is the other side showing you just placing it right on, and then you got to lift that rubber once again to get it into place. So very easy process, protects the door sills, and especially from kids. There's the after, so they're getting in and out, and it'll scuff up that rather than the car.